5 camera transitions, no fancy software, you, the camera, let's go. That was a bit awkward, I forgot to move my hand. Let's try that again. Right, the whip pan. You need 2 things on this, speed and direction. Be really, really thoughtful about this. When you're whipping away for the end of your first shot, make sure you whip in from the same direction and the same speed. Otherwise, it doesn't sell it. Right, your next one is black to black. Really straightforward. Take your camera into something black, take it back out of something black in a different place. Really easy. The next one is the match cut. That is very simply having one thing in the frame that stays the same and the rest of it changes. So in this case it was my phone, but people do it with walking to show doing the same thing in different places, or a travel video. It works really, really well. Right, the next one is sky to sky. Very simple. Pan up to the sky and then back down again when you're somewhere else, giving the illusion that, hey, you just teleported, and it's just a good camera trick. Your next one is all about going behind an object and then coming back out from another object of a similar colour. Really easy. There are 2 things that are super key with all of these transitions. Speed and direction. The consistency is key to make sure that it feels natural and that you really, really sell it as if it was completely seamless. Get out there, start practicing and keep learning.